Ratchet Friday. Yeah, there's more cars over here. You feel me? I don't know why the fuck they ain't mine. But yeah. We in here. Alright, yo, but we in here, Ratchet Friday in New Jersey, Englishtown. Mad cars. Mad beautiful cars. Nigga, this nigga always trying to vlog when I'm vlogging. Man, that shit sound nice.
This nigga always walk away when he vlogging, bro.
Yeah, alright, but yeah, we chilling right now. Damn, I look good with the ears pierced. I'm about to show you guys right now. Beautiful ass car right here. And there's more. Might be racing soon. Two-step, all that type of shit. My two ugly ass niggas right here. Yeah, it's chilling right now. Well, this is just the beginning. Hopefully there's more fun into it. Shut the fuck up. And yeah. Shut up. This nigga ugly as hell. Yo, his girl just broke his heart. He's single, so. Yo, niggas, if y'all single,
I ain't gay.
Yo, he gay as hell. He gay as hell, so hit him up, alright? I'm up. God damn, I gotta show. That shit sounds nice.
Which car should I get, man?
What car should you get? Not that. The car look nice. I don't know about his car. Man, your car looks fucking ugly. Bro, if I was to lower my car in white,
It would still look like a Hummer truck.
yeah, it looks beautiful.
Ugly as hell.
Oh shit, you.
What you got? Alright,
And what he got?
What he got?
He got oh, what he got?
Oh, he got it.
Backwards. Like, why he driving backward? Like, he better do it. Oh. This fat ass, he about to fall and shit. What he got?
Look for the best driver. Alright, you got nothing.
He said, do it for the best.
You got nothing.
I don't know, whoever did that. Damn, nigga. Yo, that shit was all the way in my face.
Yo.
But whoever did that, I don't give a fuck, cause my car probably, nigga, this shit easy as hell to fix. Like, look.
Let me see them blue faces you got in that pocket.
That shit easy as hell. Like, I could fix that shit. Ain't nothing. Now, if it was like, now if I got a dent in my car or something, you know, then that wouldn't have been something. But other than that, yo, I'm about to bag your own bitch, alright?
Yeah.
Now it's going. Alright, yo.
We gotta go back that way.
Yo, we made it. Alright, yo. This is where the party starts.
Hold on. Wait a minute. You didn't press record.
Huh?
Why would
smoke on the packet?
Over there too. No fire.
That people, this is where the fun part starts.
Oh yeah,
they probably doing a burnout over there. Yeah.
Not gonna say that.
Look at that nice W. And F4S, I see BRZ, whatever.
Yo, next season, we gotta bring our cars in here next time, bro.
We gotta wait. How we do that? We gotta come
register online.
Oh, you gotta race?
You gotta register.
Oh, register?
I think it's like $45, 35.
My car's gonna be nice by me. Damn. I thought you gonna be too nervous to put your car here, right?
Nah, if I got hella mods and shit, man, my shit fast. Y'all coming this big.
You coming this big? What about now?
Yo, y'all saw
We made it.
Fuck out of here.
My car made it.
Already made it.
I made it,
We
yo.
made it.
Cause I hit 1 million subs. You know, I got a cop that shit. Yeah, that shit was nice. I'm talking. Oh, we can't even see that because there's a group of people. Damn.
Gotta go to a body shop anyway.
Come on, let's see what you got.
If everyone gathering around like this, then you must have got something.
You about to catch a boner?
I'm about to catch some fucking. Oh. You about to kill someone. Yo, watch out. Stand up. Hey, I hope this shit won't be. You got it. YouTube! amazing.
Adrian.
But if it's M power, then it's more amazing. That's it.
Facts. He got a lip too.
I just know there's a long ass line to get in there.
3, 2, 1, go!
Nah, that shit dope. Nah, that shit booty. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. Go back to Germany.
Go back.
Just Sunday!
3, 2, 1, go!
Daddy didn't buy that for nothing!
Fuck! He said Daddy didn't have to buy that for nothing. Damn! Daddy will be up.
The dude's yelling like, we can't be sitting here because we're gonna get hit if it goes forward, but he's standing in front of it.
Alright, so.
This is gonna bring a lot of
And if it don't, you turn that shit to the dealership.
3,
Get a check.
1, go!
Stop that shit. Yo, imagine the red line in that shit.
Yeah, he doesn't even go past 2,000. He's just chilling. Really on the throttle.
Imagine red line in that shit.
Wow.
You gonna blow that shit.
I thought there was a clown supposed
Yo.
Yeah, I heard something.
I can't. Alright.
Yo, it wasn't even a Hellcat. What the fuck? There's an RT. There's an RT. What the fuck? What is this? I think it's a Charger. Right?
No, I think it's like a Pontiac.
There's a Charger. Hey yo! Yeah, it's a Charger, right? Yeah. My man, how much you want for that car?
Wow. guys. I need a decision. I need a decision. I need to know who won.
This one.
This one.
What else do you need?
Oh shit! He's got a cop car, like the new ones, the SUVs. He always fucks with people like me, so I see him all the time.
Oh! He had cop low key. He had cop low key. Like it was all tickets.
He really
We get out of here.
He fucks with so many people in that cop car. He got like 2 of them.
We got the Charger, the Challenger, the Beyond.
Charger, bro. Fuck out of here.
What was it? The Dakota that blew up, right?
Neck breakers.
If you guys think it was
Oh, no.
Dakota, you gotta go up his car, make some noise. If you guys think the Beyond won, make some noise.
Which one's fucking good?
That shit was booty. Fuck out of here. That shit was the type I. How much money he won? Nothing. Just a new. He gotta buy new tires. That's it.
This shit lit?
Yeah, yo. I think that's 06 right there. The yellow one? Yellow 06.
Yeah, we park here.
Nah.
Over there, yeah. I guess they leaving now.
I see.
Oh, shit!
They showing!
Yo, you was supposed to back the bench, bro. That's it.
Royal. Lord of the blue faces. Yeah.
Can we go breathe?
Let's walk. I want to show y'all my hard working after 1 million subscribers.
He said get out.
Alright.
You get out.
Yo, you're blocking their way.
Anyways, what you were saying?
Yo, after hard work,
Hard
few
work.
months,
Green ones, you get money, right?
I get money. I would like to show you my whip. Wait.
Damn, that's a type. That's a type one? Damn. Yo, to be honest, I was gonna get a type one. You know that, right? Oh, a red one. I'm dead ass. I was gonna get a type one. I'm having fun. I don't know about you. This is a car meet right here?
Yo, that's a lick on me. Yo, part 2 coming soon.
Part 2? And your car, right?
My car.
See so many BS turn and they face. On my face. Way I run that check up, shit up every chain. Shot at the bottom, the trenches, the gutter, so I had to go on the bottom.
Nigga, where you from?
Whoa.
Who's shooting?
Huh?
Alright, you got it. Let's see something. Nah? Alright. Alright, got it.
Bro, turn on my
Oh,
camera.
my band's right here.
I turn on my camera just to know. Where is going? Just for them to do
Just for nothing.
And watch when I turn it on.
Sit on this, how you drive.
I gotta see what he got, bro.
Damn, took that ass on the fucking toast. He couldn't hang, bro.
Oh shit. Today. I ain't gonna take you home.
I bet. Uber.
So, peace out.
Alright. Uber. I'm hitting this bush car right here. He's not on the left side.
Ooh. Shit. I didn't see that till now.
Yeah, I'm not going over there, bro.
Oh, he got neon lights.
Look at this car.
That's even.
Over there, bro.
Mad cars. To be honest, I think we should be out too. Cause
I think we should do the same thing that we're doing.
Yeah,